Transferring Bitcoin can be a straightforward process if you know the right steps to follow. To transfer Bitcoin for free, you need to understand a few key concepts. First, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet, which is a software program that stores your Bitcoin addresses and allows you to send and receive Bitcoin. There are different types of wallets, including desktop wallets, mobile wallets, and online wallets. Each type of wallet has its own set of features and security measures. For example, desktop wallets are generally more secure than online wallets, but they can be more difficult to use. To transfer Bitcoin, you need to know the recipient's Bitcoin address. This is a unique string of characters that identifies the recipient's wallet. You can obtain the recipient's address by asking them to share it with you or by scanning a QR code that contains the address. Once you have the recipient's address, you can initiate the transfer process. This typically involves opening your wallet software and selecting the send option. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Some wallets offer free transfers as long as you are willing to wait a certain amount of time for the transaction to be processed. This is because the wallet is using the blockchain to process the transaction, which can take several minutes or even hours. Other wallets may charge a small fee for faster transaction processing. This fee is paid to the miners who verify and process transactions on the blockchain. To avoid fees, you can use a wallet that offers zero-fee transfers, or you can use a service that allows you to transfer Bitcoin off the blockchain. These services use a technique called off-chain transactions, which allows you to transfer Bitcoin without having to use the blockchain. It is also important to note that transferring Bitcoin is a permanent process and cannot be reversed. So make sure you have the correct recipient's address and that you are sending the correct amount of Bitcoin. In conclusion, transferring Bitcoin for free requires some knowledge and planning. By understanding the different types of wallets and the transfer process, you can make informed decisions about how to transfer your Bitcoin. Always make sure to double-check the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin you are sending to avoid any errors.